Doctor, I don't know what's wrong with me. Do you know since I got married to my wife 3 months ago, I have not touched nor made love to her?
Why?
Doctor, I don't know. Doctor, I don't know. But there is something I discovered. Times that I plan to sleep with my wife, the moment I finish eating, I doze off. It's been happening. Not once, not twice. And this is beginning to affect my wife. She's beginning to think otherwise. There was a day she told me I was not man enough. That she prepared food for me. She even prepared herself so we could have that conjugal bliss. But I dozed off. She even accused me of drinking. Doctor, I don't drink. Please, what do I do? Help me. I don't want to lose my wife because she's threatening. And if this continues, she may be left with no choice other than to leave my house. I don't want that to happen. Please help me.
It's alright. We'll have to run a lab test to actually know what the problem is.
It's okay, doctor. Please, whatever you must do, please be fast about it. I'm no longer enjoying what's happening to me. Please.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Yeah, how are you? And how is work? Yes, I'm calling to tell you that your result is out. Yes, I've gone through your result. And I would like to see you and your wife. No. Everything is fine. Just to see you both. Alright. Okay. Mr. Frog.
Yes, doctor.
The lab results shows that you have been taking overdose sleeping pills.
I beg your pardon? Doctor, I don't understand. What do you mean?
That can be taken through food or water. The drugs weakens body system and causes constant sleeping. If I may ask, why do you engage yourself in such drugs?
That's not possible, doctor. I have never indulged in taking sleeping pills. What do I need them for?
Are you sure?
Doctor, cross my heart.
But lab result doesn't lie. So how come such drugs is in your system?
I have never in my life taken sleeping pills.
Madam, what do you have to say?
Well, not much. I've been the one putting the pills in his food.
So, Amarachi, you mean you've been doing this to me? How dare you? What for?
Mr. Frank, I will sort it out. Madam, tell me, why did you do that to your husband?
Because I do not want him to touch me. I'm still a virgin, and I'm keeping my virginity for my husband to be.
Your husband to be? So who is Mr. Frank to you?
I don't know.
You don't know and you got married to him?
I did not marry him. My father forced me on him. Everybody in my family, including Mr. Frank here, knows that I do not love him. I told him I have a fiancé who I want to get married to, yet he insisted on marrying me. Doctor, let me ask you, is marriage by force?
No.
Have you heard it? Marriage isn't by force. I don't love him, and I will never love him. He went behind me, discussed with my father, and against my wish, I was forced into this marriage. So I decided to save myself through the only means I know how to.
Mr. Frank, You heard what she said. Our advice, you take her back to her parents and engage yourself with another care.
Thank you, doctor. If only he will listen to you. Tell him.
You know, she said she doesn't love you. And there is nothing you will do that will make her love you. So why do you want to put yourself in a cage, love? Let her be. You know, marriage is all about love. Okay, now you love her and she doesn't love you. Please adhere to my advice.
It's okay. I've heard you. I've heard you. Thanks for everything. I've heard you.
Thank you. Frank, my in-law. Saying that you are no longer interested in the marriage, that simply means that the marriage is over. I decided to keep quiet so that the whole thing will calm down before I can talk to you. And now I've sent for you to talk to you so that you tell my wife and I what exactly happened. Because I have asked my daughter so many times what was the problem between the both of you. She refused to talk. I even asked my wife if our daughter told her anything. She said she told her nothing. So I decided to send for you so that you can talk to us. What happened? What exactly happened? Talk to us.
No, calm down. Biko, calm down. I understand how you feel at this moment, please. Just relax and tell us what actually happened. Biko.
No. Now I saw your daughter. I loved your daughter and I approached her. I didn't approach her to spoil her. I approached her to make her my soulmate, get married to her, and begin to breed a family. I showed her all the love on earth. I treated her like a queen. But what did I get in return? What did I get in return? Do you know your daughter, I mean my wife, demanded for her own room? Her own separate room. And I was shocked. How can my wife be demanding for a separate room? What happens to our bedroom? Do you know what she told me? That she wanted her own privacy. Ask me. And I told her that as husband and wife, we were supposed to be together. I told her. We're meant to share everything together. Bedroom, ideas, business, money. No. She blatantly refused. And said so many things I wouldn't want to say here.
I want to ask you something. Are you telling me that, or are you telling us that since you married our daughter Amarachi, you have never...
Yeah. Never. I explained to her that the law of marriage allows married man and woman to cohabit, do everything together, sleep together, and make children. There was nothing I didn't explain to her. The more I talk to her, the more she gets angry at me. Do you know the worst? There were times when I of course I want to have the conjugal thing with my wife. And I wouldn't know what will happen to me. I only realized maybe I wake up the next day. This thing happens that the point she told me I was not even man enough. There was this particular day, I won't forget it. She told me she was prepared to give me her body. She was prepared and everything, and I got drunk and I slept. I don't even drink in the first place. I don't drink. She insulted me that I was not man enough. But this thing kept happening repeatedly and I became concerned. And I went to see a medical doctor. You won't believe the results. You won't believe the results. Your daughter was always poisoning my food with sleeping pills.
Ha!
She was adding sleeping pills to my food. Inside the food I eat, and whenever I finish eating, and I'm like, what for? If my wife could go this far, that means she can kill me. She can do anything to lynch me. I lost trust. The love died. What do you expect? She became a total stranger to me. And I was left with no choice.
Okay.
My hands are tied.
My in-law, Frank.
Right.
I've heard everything you said. And every other person or persons will do exactly the same thing you did. My daughter is not a television that you go to the market and buy and place it on the wall, plus on your chair and start watching it. She is your wife. You have every right or whatsoever to do whatever you want to do with her. Even my wife here, you ask her, so my wife cannot be exceptional. Sorry about the whole thing. Now, what do you want? What do you want? What do we do? Definitely hear you. Definitely hear you.
Nah, this is not time for this, please. This is not time for this. My in-law, please, you are very sorry. I personally am sorry. I'm apologizing on her behalf, please. I can't believe my daughter did all of this. I didn't train her up like this. Eh? Nah, Imbo.
Bo again. In a same when you were doing all those things, if I talk one, both of you will talk to. Do you know that? Didn't you know that it will land to this? Now, walk.
Calm down, please, my in-law. Jay or Fuma, Biko, please. I understand how you feel at this moment. I'm apologizing on her behalf. Biko.
I cannot pretend about this. I cannot pretend about it. I cannot. I no longer trust her.
Hey.
And I cannot stay under the same roof with somebody I do not trust. If she can do that with sleeping pills, who knows? I'm human. I may offend her someday and she'll poison me and I'll die.
Mbang.
As a matter of fact, I'm done with the marriage. I'm done. When I mean done, I am done. Because if I continue to stay with her, I may end up killing her before she kills me. So please, I will come back for my bride price. So please, I'll get back to you. But just know if I'm coming again, I'll come for my bride price.
Hi.
I beg to take my leave.
Nah, he said something now.
Excuse me.
Oh, now go.
Amarachi. It's okay. Welcome back home. We shall see.
Ichie Pius, you called me on phone and stated how urgent you wanted to see me with someone that was supposed to come with you. What happened?
Mba, I'm sorry he did not make it, but I'm standing for him.
Okay, so what does the person want?
Nah, Ghana. He wants to buy your land.
Why would you be saying this kind of thing? You already know we don't sell land. We rather acquire in this family.
You know what? That this man is not from this community. He's from Ikenga. And let me ask you. He resides in Abuja first. Onyemuche. how long do you think you can stay on earth? This man has money, he can pay you anything. Sell one of those lands and use it to take care of yourself. Eh?
You mean the person can pay any amount?
I'm telling you.
So what does he want to build on the land if I sell it out?
According to him, he wants to build mansion where lecturers will be staying. You know, lecturers, they like comfortable places.
Hmm?
Yes, these universities that are prompting up from here, they are everywhere.
So it means the person has money.
He's some money. He can pay you any amount.
Iche, you know it's because of you. Because Ibu Onyishomona. The issue is that just tell the person that you people should come tomorrow or maybe whenever you find convenience for the sightseeing, as long as they can pay 3 million, because each plot there is 3 million. The land is a table land and it's an arable land. You already know.
Yeah, there's no need coming for inspection. Whatever two of us agree, he will pay and we start work.
So let him bring 3 million. Also.
He can pay you 2 million.
2 million?
Yes, if I tell him 2 million is okay.
That land is not enough for me to sell it 2 million.
Use this money and take good care of yourself. It's something. 2 million is something. Enjoy your life when you are alive now.
Iche, let us not prolong this issue. I will sell the land at the other rate, 2 million, on one condition.
What is the condition?
That you will not take any kind of agency fee from me, no commission from my side to anybody. It's 2 million and I go home with it.
Okay. It's sealed.
Sealed?
Yes.
Mama, Chama, you said you don't want to drink.
No, I don't drink. I don't do that.
I should forget her.
Forget about that one.
Papa, answer me now. I'm calling you. I came to tell you that jam form is out.
What is my business with your jam form? Did I tell you in the first place that I want to buy jam form?
Now, Papa, I told you earlier. I want to take jam. All my friends have gotten their own. I want to take jam, please. And register for the lessons. Yes. Papa, I'm talking to you now. Papa, answer me. Please, I need the money.
Choma, I want to ask you, do you belong to any witch of any kind? Why is it that any time I decide to sit down and enjoy my life, you will just come like a bomb, boom. The next thing is that you will revolve and start bringing your problems from one generation to another, from Genesis to Revelation. How can it be?
But Papa, I told you about this jam form now. I told you before.
In fact, I don't have money. Yes.
Papa, what is it that you don't have money? You are eating chicken and you are drinking. You didn't even call me to come and join you and you are saying you don't have money. But I need money, oh. Please, all my friends have gotten
fire you. Yes. I said thunder fire you. Nkiji Bronye, Akata General of the Federation.
All the money that you got from that land that you sold, where is it?
I should give you an account. No, tell me how much I spent, raising you up, and you are too big like this, like a fertilized idiot. No, tell me. Let me give you a balance sheet of how I married your mother, the way I lived my life before I married your mother. Anofia.
Papa, okay. I'm sorry, but I need money for the jump now, please. All my friends have gotten.
Now that you are talking like a child I raised, I can now listen to you. So how much is the jump form and jump money?
Brother.
Sure.
Brother, is this really you?
How are you?
You're welcome.
Okay, good day. Open.
Brother. Hey,
Sir?
Brother, bring your bag first.
Open. What happened?
I was deported from China.
Deported?
Deported?
Yes, we landed Lagos yesterday, so I took night bus.
Hey! What happened?
Why now? Why my brother now? Why?
Afolafianakam.
Hi.
Many were killed, many were jailed. I'm even lucky to be back home with my head.
Hey, Olisado. Oh, thank God that you are back alive.
What is wrong with this family?
Choma, please take him inside. Let him shower. Let him take his bath. I'm coming. Let me finish what I'm doing. I'll join you.
Hey. Hey.
Oh. China deported my son. For what? What did he do? Huh? Hi. This I name will show. Hey, the China metaropia. Hi.
Okay. It worked. I will furnish you with a lot of goodies. All at the port again in China. More got the port to the came. My deport got you.
Hi, Chinese people have deported my son. Oh, Binna.
Amarachi. I heard that Obinna is back from China. And I also heard that he was here earlier today. I hope he has given you my money.
Amarachi.
Mama.
Obinna is back. That's good.
Mama, he's back.
Hope is fine. And I hope he brought...
He is not fine. And he didn't come back with any money.
I don't understand. Hey, Amarachi. I don't understand what you mean by he didn't bring back any money. His mate goes to China and comes back with a trailer load of money. Ojenke Abara Kalota. He came back empty-handed.
Mama, the thing is, Obinna made so much money in China. But he had some problems and the money vanished.
So what's going to happen to your father's money? No, tell us now. Because according to you, you said your agreement with him was that when he comes back from China, he will give you your father's money to return to him. So now he came back empty-handed. What happens to your father's money?
Wait. No need of asking her that question. No need of asking her that question. Don't worry. I know what to do. Amarachi. Go and tell that boy Obinna that I said I am giving him 3 days to return my money. If after 3 days I do not see my money, he will see another side of me. 3 days and I do not see my money. What I will do to him, this whole village will shake.
The mind of people is not God's mind. He's back with full force. Obinna is back to shame the enemies. Obinna, the boy is some money. Obinna, my papa is back to shame the enemies. The boy is some money. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Obinna, money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Money is pure water.
Auntie?
Obinna, there's something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
Because me, I have been wondering. It's been 2 days since you came back from China. I was expecting you to start acting, doing things like someone that went to Bodo-Ibo and back. Bringing cars, talking about where you are going to build a new house,
I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. I've been expecting things to start happening in this family, but nothing. What happened?
Auntie, I tried though. I tried, but it didn't work for me. My China story was from one cell to the other, from one police case. They deported me.
I don't understand. Ibakanata. Yeah. I was even thinking that maybe your ship is in the sea, you know, that very soon containers will be coming and they'll be offloading and, you know. Did you know what if it's not? Ordinary keke na pep.
Thank God that I came back with my head, because it was becoming something else. On a second thought, I was like, let me come back home with my head first. I was deported.
Okay. You are happy, you praising God because you came back with your head, eh? Obinna, you came back with your head. But listen to me, and attentively too. Since you decided to go to China and spend years there, only to come back here with just your head, you are going to make use of that your head. You see my kitchen? My kitchen is a no-go area for you, because I cannot be feeding a grown-up adult that traveled to Obodo Ibo that the family was expecting to come back with a lot of goodies, only to come back with his head and still enter my kitchen and be fed in my kitchen. Oh, it will not happen here. Please. Did you think about it?
Am I the first person that came back from abroad without money?
I am asking you, did you think about it when you went there and came back here with nothing?
It must not work for everybody. Are you not happy that I came home with my head?
I am happy with
it. Didn't work for me.
I am happy you came back with your head. You go use your head. Use your head. You came with your head. What am I going to do with your head?
It's not my fault. It didn't work for me.
But so there's no hope for us.
There is nothing anybody can do.
After all my guy, everything, I will come to abroad and meet my brother, everything.
Come. Look at the idiot. Look at the fool. Look at the idiot. He connived with my daughter and one idiot. And they duped me. They told my back.
And anything you say will use against you in court of law. Move.
But what did you do?
Move. Let's go.
What did you do? Why are you taking me?
What did you do now? What did you do?
Where are you taking me?
If you don't talk about me, I'll forward you.
Brother, where you? Hey, my brother, how are you?
Are you still throwing me?
Papa! Mama! Papa! 9. All I'm saying is, keeping that boy Obinna in the cell won't solve this matter. It won't. So, since the young man is back now, I suggest you bring him out. So you sign an agreement with you on how he will pay you back your money. You know, so that he will go and hustle and pay up this money bit by bit.
Can you listen to yourself? Can you listen to yourself talk, Mercy? Can you listen to yourself? You want me to sign an agreement with Obinna to be paying me my money small. Somebody that traveled to China and stayed for years without achieving anything, and he came back to this country with empty-handed. Now that he came back to this country with empty-handed, this scattered country, how is he going to make the money? 4 million naira. How is he going to make that money and pay me? I need my money. And if he refuses to pay me that money, I will leave him to rot in that police cell. Mark my word.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Since you have decided that you'll be using trouble to brush your mouth every morning, so what? That's your business. But let me remind you that our daughter has locked up herself in her room for days now, crying. And it's not touching you to do anything. Ikwechiri. Nani Ikwechiri. Okay, but if anything goes wrong, don't say I didn't tell you. Oh? Ishike.
Is my food ready?
What food?
How do you which food? Okay. You may then get my man to the you have.
Hey! Onyemuche, amaram na this boy no be very useless boy. Machi, if I had known, I wouldn't have listened to the father the day he handed Obina over to me in the hospital before he died. Imagine, he traveled to China, came back empty-handed. Now he's in police custody. Konya Yagwanka Okwe.
Hey, Pius. You need a more bottle of green. I will supply it. You see what I have been telling you all the while? I told you that Obina is a criminal. On the Zuri no P work. You did not believe me. What did you do? You were the one aiding him, supporting him, backing him up. Were you not here when he chased me all around the whole day in this compound with machete, just trying to kill me because I refused to share our family land with him?
Hey, that reminds me. I had a rumor from my brother's lawyer that Obina and Izuna's case will go to court next week. Yes. And the court is targeting to settle Izuna with your family land.
Excuse me? My own land?
Yes.
Wait a minute.
You know what that means? The land that we use to settle Izuna is according to his own choice.
Wait a minute. Was that the reason Izuna came here the other day looking angry and threatening to take some of my land in replacement of his land Obina sold?
Oh, you see what I meant? He wants to use the court to claim your family's land. And there's nothing you can do. You cannot fight government. Yes.
Iche, please advise me. What can I do? Can they come and see a bit? These people are just putting banana peels here and there, trying to frustrate me. Can you advise me what to do?
You have to go and sell the family land. Yes. Sell all the remaining family land and use it to solve your family's problem. Yes. That when the court comes, they will see that the land is belonging to another person. And they will have no other option than to send Obina to prison. Oh, if you get me now.
No, it's all right. I will sell them. If you have a buyer, tell them to come. I will sell them. It's better I sell them off than to have the court to contend with or with Izuna. Even if it means selling one plot 1 million, I will just dispose them.
Yeah. Okay. We will be here tomorrow. You will see us tomorrow. Don't worry. I have a buyer. You will see us tomorrow. Definitely.
Young man, you said your name is Johnson, Obina's friend. And that you went to the station and saw Obina and he told you about the case I had with him.
Yes, and actually, I was at my shop yesterday when he called me and told me about the case he have with you. I don't know what is wrong with Obinna. I'm the one that got the passport and visa. Obinna used to travel to China. But I'm highly disappointed that Obinna went to China and stayed many years and came back without 1 naira.
That means because he's a useless boy. Obinna is very, very useless. And he has no future. He can never achieve anything in his life.
Nah, calm down.
Don't worry. You see that police station? I will make sure he rot in that cell.
Nah, calm down. All the same, Obinna is a nice person. That was why I did such favor for him. He's a very nice person. Please, I would have given him money to start his life again. But since this case is on board, we have to release him. So now, how much is the money? I want to take. I want to pay the money.
You're asking me how much is the money? How much Obinna is paying me?
Yes.
Okay, it's 4 million naira.
You say it's 4 million naira. Call me your account number.
I should do what?
Okay, call me your account number. Don't waste my time.
Wait, I want to. I should call. What for? Why should I tell you my account number?
You are wasting my time. Call me your account number. Let me send 4 million naira to your account. Obinna is owing you 4 million. Call the account number. I'm here.
What's serious? Okay. 00 2277 002439.
Okay, Access Bank.
Access Bank, yeah.
Done. Confirm it.
Check me.
It's access to access. Confirm it.
Okay, Suku. 4 million naira. Ewo, na. Hey, okay, Suku. Yame eto. Diga kebu. Dingba. Ay, na. Isa haga again. Justin. Ay, Justin Onyoma.
This one you're this happy.
No, Dan. Sit down. You home man.
Nah, you're welcome.
You home man. So I was here when this young man drove in here. So I was watching to know the person that drove into my compound with this beautiful car. So he came down and introduced himself as Obinna's friend. That he was in his shop yesterday when Obinna called him and told him about the case I had with him. In fact, to cut the long story short, he asked me about the money. I told him it's 4 million naira. In fact, he had paid him the money. Look at it.
It's a lie.
4 million naira.
Hey, what is your cool?
Hey, please, I don't have this.
Nadalo. Thank you.
Namdalo.
Look at it.
Can you check the call for me? 1, 2, 3.
Mazi, please, I don't have this time. I have paid to your 4 million naira. Please go and release Obi.
Oh, I will do that.
I will be going.
Not fishing, not for. Hey, for me. Nna Kamesa, bye-bye. Oh, don't worry. Obinna is coming out today.
Hey. Amarachi Nwamo should be so happy.
Hold on, Obinna. Bye-bye.
Thank God though. Thank God that this case is finally over. At least we will now rest from all the pressure. And my father will leave us alone. May God continue to bless that your friend. For using him to just pay my father this money. We can now sleep well without stress.
Amen. I'm glad that the storm is over.
I know what my eye have seen though. But my love, see, why not just start up something? At least look for something to be earning a daily living in this village. You can't just sit here idle. I know you didn't make it in China. And it can be quite frustrating. But here in this village, if you start doing something little by little, God will definitely bless you. And, gradually we'll grow from there. I don't think it's okay to just sit idle like this. And money matter. One has to be very, very, careful. Because of this same money, is that not why all these things have been happening? Same money that made my father to even push me into marry Mr. Frank. If not that he even let me go at the end of the day. Please.
I'm confused here. Are you married?
Yes and no. Okay, I was married, but no more. He divorced. Okay, the thing is this. My father pressurized me into getting married to Mr. Frank simply because he promised to pay him back the money, the 4 million naira. And that's why I married Mr. Frank. But he did not touch me. Because I didn't allow him touch me, he returned me to my father's house.
So you were married and you never told me? How can you get married to him and now not allow him to touch you? What's going on? Like you got married, why?
My love. Why would I allow a total stranger touch me in the first place? What was that now? Listen, I told him I'm still a virgin and I'm keeping my virginity for my husband to be, which is you. And they returned me to my father's house. Besides, my bride price has been returned, so everything is okay now.
So for how long did this happen?
A couple of months.
And throughout those couple of months, he did not touch you?
My love, are you doubting me? Why would I allow a total stranger touch me now? I said he didn't touch me. Or, you know what? Let's just go inside so that you go and check it yourself to see if he touched me or not.
So you are still a virgin?
I am, for you, my love.
Let me go and check.
My love, you don't trust me.
Let's go and check now. I trust you, but let's check first.
Okay.
Obinna, what are you doing in my house?
Uncle, why are you sounding as if you are not happy to see me?
So, if I did not tell you, you will know that I'm not happy with you. I'm very, very angry with you.
Uncle, I know you are disappointed in me because I came back from China empty-handed. But that is not the end of the world.
You came back from China empty-handed?
I tried now. I tried. I was deported. Many even died there. As we speak, many are still in prison. So why is everybody treating me as if I'm an outcast because I came back from abroad without money? Must I make it abroad? Is my destiny even there? Uncle, please stop. I know, yes, I disappointed everybody. But please, everybody should calm down. Meanwhile, that's not what I'm here. The biggest problem now is that I just found out that my uncle have sold all our family lands. He has sold everything and he did not give me 1 naira. That is my major problem now. So I'm here to seek your advice.
I am not aware.
Okay, I'm telling you now. I came here because of the respect I have for you. What am I supposed to do?
Obinna, you cannot do anything now.
He sold everything.
Yes, I am trying to tell you the truth. You cannot fight your uncle. Why? Because you don't have money. Go and make money. Then you come back and start with your uncle. Or probably you forget all about this your family land issue.
Someone took what rightfully belongs to me. And you are telling me to go and make money before I can retrieve what... I don't get it. Must I have money before I get justice?
There are things your mates do. They will go, make money, then come back. You can go and buy land any other place. Forget about that your family land.
What's wrong with this generation? This is not making sense. Someone took what rightfully belongs to me and you're telling me to go and get money instead of us to go and get what?
Let me ask you, do you want to die? Do you want to die?
Yeah, only one here got a lot.
On kiss is in Anu Adifa. On kiss is in Anu Adifa. Go and make money, then come back.
Uncle, this is not fair. This is not fair. This is not fair. My uncle sold all our lands. He seized the money. He did not give me a dime and you are telling me to go and make money.
Udina, go and make money. Leave my house.
I should leave your house?
Yes.
Uncle, why are you doing this? Have you forgotten my late father handed me over to you to direct and take care of me before he died? He trusted you. Why are you doing this to me?
Udina, if I had known you are this useless, I wouldn't have accepted that offer. Yes. Leave my house, please.
The mind of people is not God's mind. He's back with full force. He's back to shame the enemies. The boy is some money. He's back to shame the enemies. The boy is some money. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover.
I want you to get inside. Get inside the room. Pack everything that you know belongs to you and get out.
I don't understand. I should pack my things and leave.
And my swausa.
Auntie, why?
Obinna, it is because you no longer have a space in any of the rooms in this house to yourself.
Have you forgotten this is my late father's house? Are you
deaf? Inechinti, are you deaf? I said you no longer have any space in any of the rooms in this house. Go and pack your things and get out because the rooms are occupied.
I should move to where? Occupied by who?
Occupied by the legitimate owners of the house. Obinna, you can go anywhere you like. Inside the kitchen, in the toilet, even inside the bush, anywhere you like. Go and stay there.
Auntie, this is unfair. You cannot be chasing me out of my own late father's house.
Okay.
I should leave because I came back empty-handed. So,
you think I'm playing? Wait for me, I'm coming. Just Badu.
My love, you mean you slept outside your own late father's compound?
Courtesy of my wicked uncle and his wife.
And you did nothing about it?
Am I supposed to fight my uncle and his wife? I don't have such time.
You know what? This nonsense has to stop. It can't continue like this now. My love, guess what? I would borrow money from the thrift in my school and give to you. At least look for a one-room apartment in this village. You pay for it so that all this nonsense, you can't keep sleeping outside now.
It's not a good idea. Borrowing money is not the problem.
My love, don't take it from my salary.
Paying back is.
I don't mind. They will split it. That's why it's a thrift.
Don't worry. I saw somewhere, you know that land that my uncle sold to a stranger? Yeah, people are working. There is a construction going on there. So I've decided to go there tomorrow in search of work. Who knows? Maybe they might give me something to do.
Okay, in that case, that's also a good one. But please, make sure you go early. Respect the supervisor. You know how these supervisors, their head can be very hot. I'm sure that you make it there. My love, I brought some money for you.
Oh.
Don't worry, I will give you more later. Besides, the month is almost ending and they also pay me my salary, so you have more money.
Much, huh?
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Let me run home. Let me go home.
Let me escape.
The mind of people is not God's mind. He's back with full force.
Good day, Papa.
Come back here.
Papa.
Where are you coming from? Since the morning you left this house without even asking if your father will eat. Now look at the time. Where are you coming from?
Papa, but I served you food before I left this morning.
That has not answered my question. Where are you coming from?
I went to see Obinna.
You went to see Obinna? Since the morning? Yeah, Amarachi, why is it that you don't want to help yourself? You rejected all the suitors that are coming to this house to ask for your hand in marriage because of that same useless Obinna. Firstly, you sold my land and you gave him the money to travel to China. He went to China and squandered that money and came back with empty-handed. Still, that has not taught you a lesson. Okay? That has not taught you a lesson. If not that someone came here and paid me that money, he duped you. He should have been in prison by now. Amarachi, why you don't want to help yourself? Why can't you be reasonable? Why you don't want to be reasonable in your life? Papa, what is your problem?
Papa, I should be asking you that question. What is it? Is it a crime to love? What have I done to you? What has Obin and I done to you? Eh? Is it a crime to love someone who doesn't have money? First and foremost, Papa, I was locked up by you for 3 good weeks in a police cell for the money I gave to Obina. Thank God who helped me out of it. As if that was not enough. As soon as Obina came back, you arrested him, Papa. Then someone stepped in and paid you the 4 million naira, which you gladly collected. Still, Papa, you do not want to rest. Your body is still... Papa, what is it now? What did we do to you? Why can't you just let us be?
Amarachi.
Papa. Obina is the man I love and he's the one I want to be with. You like it or you don't like it.
I can see that you are gradually getting mad. I am talking and you are talking back at me. Your father Izuna is talking and you are talking back at me, Amarachi. Don't worry. Now you listen to me. Listen to me before we have tried this. Listen to me. I am giving you 1 month. If you don't get married and leave my house, trust me, I am going to throw your things out of this house.
Papa, I am not talking back at you. You asked me a question and I simply answered you. Which one is talking back at you? I was just trying to remind you that Obina is the man I love. I want to spend the rest of my life with him. Simple and final.
Now you listen to me. I am giving you 1 month. If you don't get married and leave my compound, I am going to throw your things out of this compound. Trust me. You just want to remind me as if I have an empty skull. You just want to remind me. Don't worry. If after 1 month you are still in my house, you will see what I will do to you. I thank God you know who I am. You know me. It's okay.
I want to give you money so that you come and pay my bride price. Because I am so tired of my father disturbing me in that house. I can no longer breathe well. He will not allow me rest. I can't even sleep well in that house anymore. So I have resolved to give you some money so that you come and do something on my head. I'm tired.
Honey, we are Africans. It's wrong to do such. How can you give him money to come and pay your bride price because of your father's pressure? It doesn't make sense. I don't like the idea.
I know you don't have any money. That's why I'm suggesting that I want to give you some money. At least pay. Then you bring me to your father's compound. Case closed.
Even if I accept to do so, where are we going to stay? So I should collect your money, come and pay your bride price, then both of us will end up being stranded. I have no room here. My uncle and his wife have thrown me out of my room. So where are we going to stay?
Is this not what I was telling you that time? When I told you to rent a room or two outside this village, or even in this village, you refused. I told you that we even take money from the school thrift so that you can rent 1 room apartment. You refused to do so. And now look at now, you're telling me that they've thrown you out of your own father's compound. So what do you want me to do now? The pressure is too much on me. I can no longer cope.
Honey, I understand the fact that your father is pressurizing you. But let's not make mistakes because of your father's pressure.
Simple. Me now, I don't want to make any mistake anymore. I want to give you the money. Pay my bride price. Then bring me to this place. We'll sleep outside together. It's as simple as ABC. I will sleep outside with you. It's not a problem. But just know that if anything happens to me, it's on your own head. I've said my piece. Room, you don't want to rent. You don't want to do anything. I don't even understand all this.
Honey, we cannot make mistake because of your father's pressure. Baby. Uncle, I'm here because of the respect I have for you. Okay? This is totally unacceptable. My uncle and his wife kicked me out of my room from my own father's house. I mean, who does that? Please, talk to them. I will not take this. I'm about to get married. So where will me and my wife stay? Ayekonenu. Please, talk to them. I can't take this. That house belongs to my late father. So nobody can throw me out. It doesn't make sense. Is it because I came back empty-handed from China? That doesn't change the fact that that house belongs to my late father now. Please, talk to them.
Obinna.
Uncle.
You want me to talk to them?
Yes.
To release your room for you because you are getting married. Can you listen to yourself? You want me to talk to them because you want to get married? How can that be? You once told me that this girl, the same girl, wanted to give you money for you to pay for her own bride price. How will you look at this? Are you a woman or a man? How will you take it? As the man of the house? Eh? Go and make money, Obinna, and do something. Go and make money. I say go and make money.
Is everything about making money?
Yes. Go and make money. You are a man. Yes.
How do you mean you don't understand what I'm saying? Intochigi, are you deaf? I said, take this your bag and leave my house. You can never be in my house and become a Nagalu.
I don't understand, Unai. I don't understand. Where do you want her to go to?
She can go to anywhere.
This is her father's house. She can't live here.
Okay. Papa, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, yeah, come and enter.
Papa, I will not go anywhere. This is my father's house.
Come and enter now.
Papa, this is my father's house. You can go to your father's house and do as you like. But for me, I will stay in this house.
Come and enter now. Let me see if I will not use this house and cut it.
Izuna, you want to kill my daughter? You want to kill my daughter? Try it and see if I won't set this house on fire.
Come and enter.
Try it.
Come and enter. Oh,
Let's go inside.
Mama, no, it's not. No, it's
come and enter.
Papa, you want me to leave this house, right? You want me to leave, right? But don't forget, I am your only daughter. Your only daughter, Papa. And you're chasing me out like a common criminal. You don't even care if anything happens to me. You don't care if I die. Look at the time. You don't care if I die out there, Papa. For what now? What?
The only daughter cannot be useful to herself. The only daughter that refused to get married. The only daughter that refused to make her father happy. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Get married, eh? You are waiting for that useless boy, Obinna. Oh yeah, go to Obinna's house. Go and marry him.
Mama, you know what? I'm leaving.
You're not going to anywhere.
Mama, no,
what
no,
if
no,
anything happens to you
Mama,
there?
nothing will happen to me. I will be fine. Nothing will happen to me.
And where do you want to go to?
Mama, I will go anywhere I want to go to. I don't care where I go to. Papa, you can eat this house. You see this house? Swallow it. Papa, I hope you become full after eating this house. You will not even see me ever again. I will never come back to this house.
Bye-bye. In fact, you are no longer my daughter. Let me make it clear to you.
See, let me tell you something. If anything happens to my daughter,
at me.
If anything happens to my daughter,
stop pointing at me.
Izuna, I will take this matter to the Igwe and Umuada.
I will care.
You will hear from us.
Like, take the matter to the moon. Take the matter to the president of this country. Take it to the Boko Haram if he has men. I don't care. Who cares?
You will hear from the Umuada. I don't work. If woman.
Make sure you don't come back here. Follow her. Make sure you don't come back to this house. Okay, ma. Don't worry. If you never tell about you will see another woman. A woman and another wife.
He's back with full force. He's back to shame the enemies. The boy is on money. He's back to shame the enemies. The boy is on money. Money is pure water. And what I see for Jesus, he's here to recover all. Money is pure water. And what I see for Jesus, he's here to recover all. Money is pure.
Obinna, do you mean that Amarachi has been sleeping outside with you?
Yes, for some time now.
Hi! My son, this girl has suffered for you. She really loves you. Huh? This calls for the end of this our game. Please, you have to tell the exact person you are. Reveal to her whom you are. Huh?
I feel the time is right.
Oh yes. You can even reveal yourself to your uncle and his wife.
No. I can reveal myself to my wife, fine and good. But is she my uncle? No, forget about him for now. He's not worth knowing. Even if he will know, not now. So please.
Okay.
I will reveal myself to my woman and forget about my uncle.
Okay, there's no problem.
I trust you. Thanks for all you do.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much. Kita ka onye m uche ya ga-ama na ife na-eme. Ọ ga-ama na ọ na-eme. Ha! Nke bụ na-eme nwatakịrị etu a na-eme etu a. Kita. Ọ matago.
All right now. No problem, eh? Okay. Just get back to me now. Money can never be the problem, okay? I'm waiting. Don't forget, go for the best. Go for the best. I want to shock everybody. Good.
My love, this one you're making different calls and you're excited. What's going on? Why are you this happy?
I'm excited because the hour has come. I'm about to shock you.
Shock me? With what?
You know, all this while I came back from China pretending to be poor. But the truth is I'm not poor. I came back a multi-millionaire in dollars, not even in naira. So forgive me, but I've been pretending all this while. Sounds like a joke, right?
Are you sure you're not sick?
No,
I can just go and get you. I can get you some medication now.
I'm serious. I'm planning our wedding. I want it to be the biggest around here.
But that's what you should have just said now. Instead of saying not going back and, you know. Yes, wedding, agreed. But talking about biggest, how? Do you know what a low budget wedding costs these days? Do you know how much a bag of rice is talking?
It's like you didn't hear me well. I said I came back from China as a multi-millionaire in dollars. I'm pretending.
My love, can you stop, please? Stop now.
The problem here is that you people's definition of rich or wealthy is when someone pulls up with a flashy car, properly dressed with blinks everywhere. No. Baby, there is money in the bank. I was just pretending to know people that are actually for me and people that are against me. Now let me shock you finally to convince you for all this. You see that house where I worked as a laborer? The one that was completed a few weeks ago?
Yes, I know the house.
That's my house, baby. I'm not a laborer. I was just pretending I'm monitoring everything. You see that car? The one they used to bring money now? Even the car Johnson came with. It's mine. One of them. The 4 million naira he brought, I gave it to him. Let me show you the transfer evidence.
My love, can you stop? What is going on with you? Why did you allow them to do this to you? What is happening? What is going on?
So I can't pretend in peace. Okay, look at my account
I've been praying to God. I've been begging God to protect you. I don't know this. When my enemies finally caught up with me, why do they want to make this kind of mockery of my life? What did I ever do to deserve this, eh? What did I do to deserve this?
You
are running mad, my love. You are running mad. Don't let them do this to you. I knew that your uncle was a wicked man. Okay, but I didn't know that he would get to you, my love.
Let me show you one
What
of
is
my
wrong
balance.
with you? What is wrong with you?
Hold
Hey!
on now. See.
Hey!
Look at you doing.
Hey!
Come and see now.
Help me, oh, my man is running mad. Oh, he's running mad. Come mad, oh. You could come and help me.
Come and see, I can't balance.
Come and help me, oh. Come and help me, oh.
Come and see my balance first.
Uncle, please be hide. Uncle, please come. Uncle, come on. Obina. Uncle, please help me. Obina.
What happened to Obina?
Obina.
What is it? Calm down.
Uncle.
Please, calm down.
Uncle, my enemies have caught up with me. Uncle, I couldn't escape my enemies, Obina. Okay, he called me a few moments ago. He said he wanted to talk to me. He said, okay, fine. Then I sat with him.
then told me that he wanted to come and see my parents. He wanted to come and perform my traditional rites. I was really happy, Uncle. I was excited, and finally. Uncle, next thing, Obinna just changed. He started saying things like, I don't understand. He said he was a millionaire, that he wants to spend 25 to 30 million. He said different, he was saying all nonsense, sort of nonsense. Uncle, please, you're the only one I can trust. Uncle, please come, let's just
come now, calm down.
Uncle, no, there is no time to waste,
I
Uncle.
know. What?
Uncle, I don't want him to just fall like this, please, Uncle, help me.
What Obinna told you is real. Yes, what Obinna told you is real. Obinna came back to this country well loaded. Yes, he is rich. Obinna is rich. You see that mansion? He was working as a laborer. It's Obinna's house. Yes, he came here with cars, expensive cars, more than 7 of them. That is real. Please, yes. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Uncle, I should be asking you if you are okay. I've been sleeping with him outside, Uncle.
That doesn't mean Obinna is
trying
rich.
to destroy me. What is going on?
Obinna is rich. Obinna is rich.
Uncle, you're not fine.
I am fine. Understand me. Obinna is rich. He's the owner of everything he told you about. Yes. Are you okay?
No. How can you say he's the owner of everything? What are you saying, Uncle? What's going on?
That is it now. That is what
How
I'm
do
telling
you know?
Yeah, I planned it with him. Yes. You want me to open up? I planned all those actions with him. That is real. Do you hear me? I planned all those actions with him.
You mean?
Obinna is rich. That's what I mean.
That house?
That house is his.
The money?
The money? No. I can't, I don't know how to explain to you. I planned it with him. Amarati! Ah! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Obinna, what you are trying to let me know is that you want me to accompany you to Izuna's house for marriage introduction.
Exactly. I've sorted everything. I've spoke to them. I've agreed with my love. So the only thing remaining is you.
So you have come to discuss to me man to man. I want to ask you, Obinna, Ijego, do you have money for what you are planning to do? Or you just want me to, follow you to Izuna's house to be disgraced in the name of marriage? Of course you know that no man come. The question is, Ijego, Ijano wine. Oyo na enwe ego na eri ofe.
Uncle, money shouldn't be a barrier now. True love doesn't demand or require conditions. We have agreed to get married. I've spoken to our people. They welcomed me. So just follow me to their place. Let's do the needful. I must not make all the money in the world before I marry.
Oh. Obinna, now I get it. So you want to deceive me? Eh? You should have come direct. That you want me to foot the bill in marrying Amarachi instead of going corner. The question I ask you is that, do you have money for all this?
Uncle, let's assume I don't have money. Can't you help me? Yes.
So you want me to indirectly go there, foot the bills for you? Eh? The problem you have is that you don't even think. You don't have money and you want to go there and marry. Eh? So I'm going to Fumbaji, you now in turn give to your wife. Ngota nunji, nta enyegi, you now give to your Ijuguche. Eh? My friend, if you have anything important for us to discuss as man to man, you bring it up. Otherwise, let me be in peace. I am communicating with my gods. This boy is very stupid though. I thought China would have changed this boy a little bit. Eh? Man, China have succeeded in China mosaic. Eh? Some common sense, so Julia. But that's what I want. And the China area. Anariaro. Well.
Ada, my dearest friend.
My friend.
Obina shocked the living daylights out of me when he told me who he really is. In fact, I fainted out of shock.
Wait, Obina. Is it the Obina that I know or the one I don't know? I don't understand.
My one and only Obina. Ada, let me even shock you. Do you know that he told me he budgeted 25 to 30 million for our traditional marriage? That he wants it to be one in town. Hey!
25 to 35 million naira.
25 to 30, he said, oh, my sister.
Amarachi, oh my goodness, Amarachi, you are lucky. You are lucky.
Lucky, Ke? This is not luck, a matter of luck. It's a matter of patience and determination. You know, I was with Obina when he had nothing. I was determined to be with him for the rest of my life. It doesn't matter to me. He's the one I love. He's the only one for me. I don't care about any other thing. If I wasn't patient, all these things would have come out. Besides, he told me that we'll be moving to our new mansion soon.
To your say it again, because say it again.
Our new mansion.
God, oh, Amarachi, I'm happy for you. Happy for you. Okay, what did his uncle and the wife now say?
Nothing, no. We haven't told them about this new development. Okay. Ada, I want to beg you. Please, do not let anyone, in fact, let your left ear not even hear it. Keep it as a secret. We are still arranging things for now, until we are ready to unveil everything to everyone.
Yes, now, you know me very well now. I'm good in keeping secrets. You know me now. Well, is it
that's
not
what
me
I'm
again?
telling you.
Yes.
That's what I'm just telling you.
Hey.
Meanwhile, I will bring you Ashebi for you tomorrow.
Ashebi cloth. I cannot wait to take my own Amarachi. If you see me that day. If you see me that day.
See, I will tell you the tailor, you will take it too. Don't worry.
No wahala, no problem.
My friend has to be decently dressed that day.
Yes, so
because this
if you see my clothes, the way you go take me my shape, Hey,
where is the shape?
The shape now, you don't see the shape. You don't see the shape.
Small hair shape.
Amarachi, stop that now. Hey.
Yeah, Diego. So, Chama, this is your own. I want everybody to be looking hot on that day.
Hey.
And I know you like this one. This is for you. Well, that's now. It's my traditional marriage. You're welcome. Uncle. This is Isiago. It will fit you. So, mark it on that day for me. Just wear it.
Obina, do you know that all along I was thinking that you have a small sense left in you? But this thing has shown me that you don't have any sense still remaining in your medulla oblongata. So you brought this thing from only God knows who. Now you are here. I should wear it to your wedding, so that the owner will see me there and disgrace me for having gone there to borrow. Tell them that they did not see me.
Now, Papa. But if you not just brought this clothes for us to get to his wedding, now you're rejecting it.
If I slap you now, you remember the day you were born. Oh, Diego! Someone that has not fed 3 square meals came here all the way from China. They deported him from China. Umazi China used his brain. He left his brain there, came back home empty-handed with empty brain. And all of a sudden, he went to do wedding. And you believed him. I don't think that this girl is coming from my loins.
Nah, what does that mean?
Why, who else behave like her? Somebody who Agoropi work. There's nothing he has not done. Now he comes with little tricks and she's there believing him. Welcome.
Uncle, I'm used to your drama. How you perceive me does not count anymore. This is your own clothes. Wear it on that day. Just come and sit down there as my uncle. God, yes.
I will kill this. I will kill this boy. Don't kill him. I will kill this boy.
Amarachi.
Mama?
This one you're smiling to yourself. What's making you this happy? Okay.
Mama, are you okay? It's not you're covering your body.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
It's good, yes, I'm fine. I actually want to talk to you about something.
What is it?
I don't understand what's going on. Is there something you're not telling me?
Something like what, Mama? What's going on where?
Okay. Yesterday, you gave Aya and your father expensive clothes and shoes. And you said Obinna bought them for us to wear on your traditional marriage day. Now I ask, where did Obinna get money to buy such expensive clothes and shoes? Not about much.
Mama, come on. Is that what is getting you confused?
Yes, oh. Yes.
Well,
I'm listening.
Mama, if I tell you, please, I don't want you to tell Papa. Mama, I trust you, but I don't trust Papa. So, if I open up to you, promise me that you're not going to tell Papa anything.
Promise.
Promise me, Mama.
Okay. I promise. So what is going on?
Okay.
Your father is sleeping. Talk.
Okay. Mama. My Obinna didn't come back from China empty-handed.
I don't understand. You're getting me more confused.
Oh, okay. Let me explain. Mama, you remember that man that came to give Papa some money? The money that allegedly I sold land, blah, blah, blah.
The money you stole from your father?
I didn't steal.
Anyway, that man.
Obinna was the man that gave the man the 4 million naira to give to Papa.
What kind of a joke is this?
Mama, it's not a joke. Mama, wait, you don't shout. It gets more interesting. Mama, do you remember those lands that the uncle sold, their family lands? Obinna bought back all those lands through somebody. Yes, Mama. Oh, Mama, I forgot to tell you.
Hey!
You know that house that he was working as a laborer? That one.
As Uguaja now.
Mama. He was only pretending, no?
Yeah.
That house belongs to Obinna, Mama. My Obinna is a billionaire.
What kind of? What?
Oh, Mama.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, I'm telling you the truth.
Hey! It's life.
Mama, do you know?
But wait. See now about speed.
Okay. Sorry.
What are his reasons behind his actions?
Well, he said he didn't want, the uncle now to know about all his plans so that he will not twat them. That his uncle is very evil, Mama.
Hi.
Yeah, he wanted everything to just finish first before he reveals himself. Yes.
Indeed. Wonders shall never end.
Mama, it can't ever end, not in my
Some
time.
people are so good in keeping secret, oh. And you see that your Obinna. He's one of them.
Mama, do you know that I was also like you? I didn't want to believe, I thought that my Obinna was running mad. I even ran to a Chepayos's house. I called him, I said, Chepayos, come and help me, oh. My Obinna has gone mad, oh. Look at what he said, oh. Chepayos now told me that I should relax. That my Obinna is a very rich man. I was looking at him like, Chepayos is also mad, though. Are you sure this man has not taken something? He now told me to no, he didn't take anything. That he even planned it with Obinna. everything that's been happening, that Obinna should pretend that he doesn't have anything. Obinna should do like this, Obinna should do like that. Mama, when I heard wham, I fainted. Ha! Mama. Hey, Obinna, that. Mama.
Some people are so good at keeping secrets. So. And that's your Obinna. He's one of them.
Mama is a good secret. It's a good secret. Mama, after our traditional marriage, we are moving to his mansion.
Yeah. Are you serious? He's sleeping with your father. Yes. Are you serious?
Mama. You need to see, Mama. You need to see the pictures he showed me of his mansion. Mama, hey, if you see the distance from the gate to the house, compound is very big. You can get lost inside that compound. Mama, you need to see big. You need to see things. All those things I used to teach my students in school. Those are the things inside that house.
And you're going to live there,
Mama.
See how happy you are. Oh, Wambo.
Yes, madam. No, it should be 12,000 chairs. Doesn't matter. That's what my husband wants. He already gave you 15 million naira for that purpose. No. Listen. Of course, you're going to make local dishes too. No. That resort should be closed down. All his guests are going to stay there. Every single room should be booked for the purpose of our marriage. No, we talked about that one now. I know it's 500,000 naira. That will be later. Yes, the same colors. No, the local dishes should be local, like really local. We want to keep it African. 5 cows. Yes, turkey. No, turkey, chicken. You know, the asu should be one side. Nkwobi. You know how it goes. The fresh palm wine, everything should be. He's capable. Of course, champagne and... Madam, I don't need to teach you your job. You already know how to do your job. We have international guests coming. So, of course, we'll have to keep foreign wine too. The DJ should be on one side. Then the local band should be at the other side. A red carpet entrance for me and my husband. Yes. Of course, it has to be beautiful.
Hey. Wait.
Let me call you back.
Wait.
I heard everything. Nkwobi, local wine, local juice, champagne, champion, Efi, Nama, Aloma Hancha. Come. I hope you are not planning to ask me to bring out that 4 million naira. That your useless boyfriend or husband. Don't know who's that man paid. I hope your plans are not is not to ask me to give you that money.
Papa, has anybody come to meet you to ask you for money?
Then all this money I mentioned, where is it going to come from?
But Papa, does it concern you now? Since nobody has asked you for money, why are you drinking Panadol on another person's headache? Papa, keep your 4 million naira. In fact, put it in the bank, put it under your pillow. Anywhere you want to keep it. Nobody cares. Nobody is asking you. Eat your money and be happy. That's all. All we are saying is, come for our traditional marriage on that day. Simple.
Are you planning to go and rob so that you can get money to pay for all these things you are mentioning? Because I don't have money. If your plan is to ask me to bring out 4 million naira, or do you want to sell another of my land?
Papa, I know all your land documents are not in this house. You've removed them after that incident. So don't worry. I'm not a witch to know where you hid them. Relax. Nobody's asking you for 4 million. Papa, keep the 4 million. Please, enjoy.
Biamasi, what are your plans this time? You and your daughter, what are your plans? Masi.
Now.
I am talking and you are. It's okay. No problem. In fact, let me tell you, Tomorrow, I will go and report this matter to the police station before you people go and rob my police will come here.
You tell the police that we did what now? Did you rob any bank?
Okay, where will you, if you are not planning for any evil, where will you get the money to pay for all these things you are mentioning?
Papa, please, can you just leave me alone? Now, nobody is talking to you. You are feeling pain. Papa, leave us alone. Leave us alone.
It's okay. Mercy.
Maka, biko. Maka.
It's okay. Any param, I will just deny all of you.
No.
Police will take you and go away.
Okay,
Simple.
Papa. Thank you.
Gama, no. Gama.
Papa is late. Go and sleep and rest. Later now, your blood pressure will go up. Mama. Make your call.
If you see Calabar girl, make you give her If you no give her
she go walk out. Oh my husband, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, there's money.
If you see Igbo girl, make you give her money, oh. If you no give her money, she go run away. If you see Yoruba girl, make you give her meat, yo. If you no give her meat, yo, she go walk out. If you see Ijo girl, make you give her mogogoro. If you no give her mogogoro, she go walk out. If you see Koroman woman, make you give her ripe plantain, yo. If you no give her ripe plantain, she go walk out. She go run away, oh.
No, my husband.
Onyemuche, you are not yet prepared for the traditional marriage. Eh?
Which traditional marriage are you talking about? Oh, don't tell me that you are fully dressed and of course you don't have anything important to attend to. You want to attend to Obina's traditional wedding that is already speculated everywhere. Is that why you came here to disturb me and my wife under this atmosphere over our green bottle? You want me to go to Obina's my traditional marriage to be insulted? What has Obina gotten, to warrant me going to his traditional wedding? You want me to be insulted?
Abigail, you are not even prepared.
Welcome. You can sit down, sir. You can sit down, sir.
Onyemuche, let me shock both of you. Do you know you are swimming on top of water? Huh? The Obina you people thought that came back empty-handed did not come that way. Obina came back from China as a wealthy man. He's wealthy. He's rich. Obina is rich.
Nai, what are you talking about? Which Obina are you referring to? The Obina I know or another one?
The Obina you know. The Obina you know is rich. Do you know that all the family lands you people sold was bought by Obina? Huh? Obina owns all of them. I know this might wound you more. It will shock you, I know. That mansion that was completed about a week ago, Obina owns it. Where he normally go for labor job, he owns it. Obina owns it. That's what I'm proving to you. Obina gave his friend 4 million naira to give to Izuna. Go to Izuna's compound and see what is happening there. Something is happening there. Obina came to this town with 6 or 7 more expensive cars. Yes, Obina owns them. If you don't know what to do, you want to stay here? If you like, come over. If you don't like, I'm going. Thank you.
Like, this man was serious. Did you hear what he said?
Eh? Am I dreaming? Obina now a millionaire. Build houses here and there. Excuse me. Who just left here now? Who left here?
Ichie Pius.
He
was serious. Hey!
Huh? Ichie Pius said what?
Hey! Hey! Obinna rich.
How would we live in this kind of big house alone?
You like it?
I like it. What's that? I love it.
I like that.
I like everything.
It's back to shame. You boy, you get some money. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all.
So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I never dreamed I would ever stay in this kind of big house. Talk more of owning it. Hey. Thank you for making both of us proud.
The truth is that you deserve everything in the world, yeah? Because you stood by me when I had nothing. You were there for me through the thick and thin.
What's that?
Even when I was pretending to be poor, you stood by me. That was the height of it. So you've proven yourself, okay? Trust me, for the rest of your life, you will keep enjoying.
I'm so proud of you. This is huge. You really showed my father what a real man is.
Your father showed me pepper. He showed me shege. But I like you for one thing. You did not allow your father to influence you. Yes. You're a good person and you're a nice person. You kept feeding me.
But in my next life, I want to be your sister again.
Okay. Let me shock you. We are going back to us, China.
Eh?
Yes, no.
China.
I will complete your studies there for you.
Hey. Sister, I'm not a Chinese girl.
You wait till you get to China first. You're still in Nigeria. What's that?
I beg you. Are you jealous? I'm a Chinese girl now. Hey.
Let's go.
Yes.
The mind of people is not God's mind. He's back with full force. He's back to shame the enemies. You boy, you get some money. He's back to shame the enemies. You boy, you get some money. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all.
Please get up. Hey, please get up now. Somebody help me because please get up. Hey, get up. Hey. I'm sorry on behalf of my husband. I'm sorry. He couldn't come with me because of the shame. He couldn't face you because.
If you were in my shoes, will you forgive? think it's easy to say I'm sorry and all of a sudden I'll say I've forgiven you? Think it's easy?
Mama, so Papa is this evil and you could not do anything?
My love, I know what they have done is unimaginable. But please, if there's no sin, there won't be forgiveness. To err is human, forgive divine. She's still your aunt. Please. Papa was a peaceful man. Come on.
The forgiveness room is closed. Forget about that.
Okay, you get one man where they for Kero, insane they find you.
What's his name?
Okay, no tell me say I don't even ask him. Chai, you told me. But okay, the man is dark and he's tall.
Let him in.
Okay.
Please. I'm sorry. Don't be gone.
Okay, the man they here. Comport yourself.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
Sorry to bother you. I was just passing by and the Spirit of God ministered strongly to me to pass by here and pray for your household, if you don't mind.
You're welcome, feel free, but I think I know this face.
Obina, you represent this God. Whatever I do to this God will definitely go to you in China. I want you to be useless, Obina, in China.
So how was the spirit and the fellowship for you?
Everything was good. I'm deep into the spirit.
Yes.
Everything.
What is it? Brother, wait.
Is there any problem?
The Holy Spirit just ministered to me. There's something wrong here.
Where?
There's something wrong here. Jesus Christ. Jesus!
Holy Father.
Brother, that is a human being tied there.
And what do we
That
do?
is a human being tied there.
What do we do?
Jesus. Please help me with this. Jesus. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I rebuke and bind whatever evil this is. Father Lord, this is your child. This is your temple. Whatever evil that has been done to this person, I rebuke, I bind, and I cast in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. From whatever spirit, from whatever realm, from whatever abyss you are coming from, I rebuke you. I bind you in the mighty name of Jesus. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, this is your temple. Take control, O Lord. Amen. Take control, O Lord. Amen. Take absolute control, Amen. O Lord. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Brother, I need to take this goat home for proper prayers and exegesis.
Okay. Untie you, please. Father, Lord Jesus, this burn and cast the truth of this in spiritual, any evil, any like trouble, Father, this is my cast a burn. Terrible.
What sort of dream is this? God forbid, I reject it in Jesus' name. I reject it.
So, you are the one?
Yes.
You are the one that did that wickedness to. Why would someone do that to you? What were they hoping to achieve?
Akubilo. I know you. You saved me in my dream.
Yes, midnight. He did it. back empty-handed from China. He was so happy that his intentions and actions, I'm very sorry, Biko. Sorry. Sorry.
Look at the people you're asking me to forgive. The same people that killed my father. The same people that were working effortlessly to make sure I return back to this country empty-handed.
It's so
hot. You personally kicked me out of my own father's house. Have you forgotten that night? I was sleeping outside in my own father's compound.
Sorry.
Evil that men do lives with them these days, not after them. Mfoye metal or bully automatic. Or they for yazichi. Talk to your wife.
My love, I know all these things. We knew that your uncle was evil from the start. But we can't just abandon them now. They're still your family. You're a good man. You've always been good. That's why it didn't work out for them. So please.
I'm sorry.
I wanted to fly your husband abroad for a better medical treatment. But it was revealed that I should not, because what he's suffering from is as a result of what he did. Like he's suffering from nemesis, karma. So they said we shouldn't interfere. But having said that, I've forgiven him. Yes, and I've forgiven you. We are one. Feel free to come if you need anything, financial help, whatever it is, anytime, feel free, okay?
Obinna, God will bless you. Obinna, my God will bless you. Obinna, you're a good man. You have a good heart. Hey! After everything we did to you, you can do anything. Hey!
I'm not good.
Obinna, thank you. Thank you so much.
My genuine man of God. The one in which God uses to speak. You know, in this era where we have so many confused and complicated people answering that title, God, you have proven that you are genuine. I appreciate you. I will help you expand your ministry. So go look for a land of your choice, anywhere. I repeat, anywhere. I will buy it for you. And I will also buy you a car. So tell me the one you want. I will also buy that for you.
My brother, a house for God and a car. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. No evil eyes will see you because you have not seen anybody with an evil eye. Your pocket will never be empty in Jesus' name. Amen. God bless you, my brother. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Uncle, buyer.
My son.
The best uncle in the world.
My son.
My one and only uncle.
No.
No, your case is different too. Uncle, I want to especially thank you for all you did. Where will I start from? Is it the words of encouragement? Is it the support? I remember the money you gave to me way back during my finals. Uncle, you are the best. God bless you. So please, your case is different. Go home. Think of anything you want, like anything. Get back to me tomorrow and I will handle that.
Oh! Obinna, my son.
My uncle.
I thank you.
You're welcome.
I thank you so much. Listen, my happiness is that all those things I told you to do, you did them. Today, look at you. I am so proud of you.
Thanks for the wisdom you impacted in me. You're welcome.
I heard what you said. I will go home, sleep,
and get back to you. Settled. Ogogo.
My in-law. My millionaire in-law.
Your case is different, yeah? Whatever it is you want, just come through my wife. Mom the bill through her. I will reciprocate.
My in-law. You said whatever I want, you will give it to me. I will ask through my daughter. There's no problem. Since you promised this man of God, evangelist, that will build a house for the ministry and also give me a car. My in-law, as your good in-law, I will also give you a car. I want to buy me a car. And that's my house. I want it to be upstairs.
But where do you want to drive to?
Organic. What is your business? Are you the one bringing the money? Are you the one building the house?
Settle.
You are encouraging him.
Yes, sir.
Settle. Where
do you want to drive to?
Yeah. Amarachi, take time. Take me to Nigeria like that.
Please, while we are waiting for the food, can you people just take whatever you want? Let's be refreshing before they bring the food.
Before we take the drinks. Organ. Adamu, I would love to come to China for Omugo.
Do you know how to speak Chinese?
My dear,
You want to go to China?
Yes.
For Omugo?
Yes.
Don't worry, you will go to China, but I promise you, before you go to China and come back, I will have married another wife.
That's very cool. And I'll marry another husband.
You marry another husband. Akuche Yebis and Mammy. One year one. Man of God. My in-law said we should share the drink according to our brand. I know you men of God, you don't take alcohol before you go to the pulpit and start speaking abracadabra. Take your choice first.
Okay, I don't know. We have non-alcoholic there.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
It's my turn now. Let's also take for my wife. Hey! I'm a long Yeah, make sure you don't give this drink to that your evil husband. That's your evil husband that wanted to kill my son-in-law. You know your husband is evil. Make sure you don't give him this drink. My daughter, my beautiful queen.
The mind of people is not God's mind. He's back with full force. He's back to shame the enemies. You know you get some money. He's back to shame the enemies. You know you get some money. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. Money is pure water. I wanna see for Jesus. He's here to recover all. The story has changed. The rejected stone has turned the chief cornerstone.